In this video, I'm going to show you how to take out a loan on Cash App using the borrow feature. Also, before we get started, note that I have $45 in my account. So on the main money screen here, you're going to see the borrow feature and you want to tap on that. At the beginning, you'll have a limit. Mine is $25 and it's going to give us some more information here. We can receive these funds instantly, pay one simple flat fee, and qualify for a higher borrow limit over time. And then we just want to tap get started. From here, we'll be able to select the amount that we want to borrow, or you can type in the amount. I'm just gonna pick $20 for this example and tap next. Now, before we start to confirm, it'll give us the details of our loan. So it's giving us $20 instantly, and that money will go into my cash balance. So after I start this loan, I'll have $65 in my cash balance. This is gonna charge us a 5% flat fee. So this is going to be a $1 fee on our $20. So we're going to get $20 and then we're going to have to pay back $21 within 30 days. Tap next. And now we're going to get to choose a repayment schedule. So with this schedule, it'll let you pay $525 4 different times and it'll give you a notification for when to pay. Or you can just wait and end up paying it all at once. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to tap choose repayment schedule and we'll see the other options here. So you can choose as you get cash. When you get money in Cash App, a small amount will be set aside for your loan until it's paid off. You can do 4-week payment, so you're going to pay $525 each Friday. Or you can do all at once and just pay the full balance by July 26th. With any of these options, you're going to just have the ability to kind of pay back the full amount when you're ready. I'm just going to leave it on the 4-week payment schedule. Tap next and tap next again. Then I'm going to have to put in my social security number. I'm going to have to put in my PIN. It's going to ask me if this info is correct, my legal name, address, and date of birth. Then tap yes, it's correct. Now I'll be able to review and confirm. So $20 financed, $1 is the fee. Have to pay back $21 and the APR is 60.83%. July 26th is the final due date and it's going to give us all of this information. I'm not going to read all of it, but you can pause and read through these if you need to. And tap borrow instantly. So it's confirmed I've borrowed $20. The money is now available in my Cash App balance to send or spend. And I have to repay this by July 26th, or I'll have to pay more interest on top of the $1 interest that I owe. Tap done. It's going to show me an overview and it's going to send me notifications for when to pay these. I just have to pay everything by July 26th. I'm going to go back to my home screen here. You can see my cash balance is now $65. So I have $20 more that I can send or spend. Let's go ahead and tap on borrow again. I can tap on my limit to learn more about this. This is the total amount you can borrow. It may change based on several factors, including whether you pay off your loans and how much you deposit in your Cash App and keep in there. I'm going to open up my loan schedule. You can see the upcoming ones. I'm just going to tap repay early. It's going to give me a few options here. I can pay the amount for July 5th. I can pay the remaining balance, or I can tap other and type in my amount. I'm just going to tap on pay remaining balance. Then this is going to give me my details, confirm that you want to repay your $21 that is due. The source will be from my Cash App balance, payment date today, and just tap confirm. It's going to say you remade your payment of $21, confetti will drop from the screen. We did it. We took out a loan and then we paid it back. You can see that the $21 was removed from my Cash App balance to pay this back. I now have $44. And there you have it, how to take out a loan on Cash App using the borrow feature. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. I'll also drop another video soon showing how to increase your borrow limits. So like and subscribe if you're interested. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.